Hello, my name is Robin Pearson Booth, and I am excited to be taking my final two classes so I can graduate in May. I have been an RN for 40 years, and actually in May will be 41 years, and I have enjoyed every bit of my career. I've done a lot of different things. And right now I'm an oncology nurse navigator, and I help navigate folks who have been diagnosed with colon cancer and make sure that they're well taken care of and get the treatment that they need and deserve. And I am married, have four grown children, and decided when my baby girl graduated in 2016 from UVA that I would get my bachelor's as well. So my family's been very supportive of me. And if I had a superpower, my superpower would be to understand technology as soon as it comes out. I feel like I'm always one step behind on being able to get things, and I hate having to ask my grown children to hook something up. My last nemesis was my Echo Dot, and it would not let me set up Wi-Fi. I had two grown children working on it, and they got it working, but they don't know how. So that would be my superpower. I would love to be able to understand and utilize technology as soon as it is available. And I plan to increase my knowledge of that after I get my bachelor's in nursing. So good luck to everyone else. Have a great semester.